So the takeaway from SetExample1 is that it's using the set greater than, or the SALT, to optimize the condition of whether it's going to return 1 or whether it's going to return 0. If A is greater than 0, it's going to return 1. Otherwise, all the rest of the time, return 0. So basically, the A0 coming back from the A2I, the A0 register is the return register. We can see here that there's a 0 being added with a word with an add IW, but this is really the same thing as sext.w, which is just doing a word sign extension. So basically, you get the return value back out from string to long. Then you're going to sign extend it because we have an integer value that's going to be returned here, but it's using 64-bit registers. And then it's essentially doing is 0 less than the return value. So if the return value was 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, then it will set the A0 to 1 and it'll return 1. If it's any other value like -1, -2, -3, then instead it will return 0. So picking up a new assembly instruction, this is now the signed SALT. So we have SALT unsigned, SALT-U, and SALT. And putting it up here, we've got SALT along with the pseudo instruction of set greater than 0. So we've got two more SALTs defined, two salty SALTs.